For any service-based business, whether you're a consultant, a coach, a salon owner, or a yoga instructor, managing appointments is crucial. The old way of back-and-forth emails and phone calls is inefficient, time-consuming, and frankly, a productivity killer. That's where online scheduling tools come in, automating the process, reducing no-shows, and freeing up your valuable time to focus on what you do best. Today, we're diving deep into two of the most popular contenders in the scheduling software arena, Setmore and Calendly. We're going to break down their features, pricing, integrations, and user experience to help you decide which one is the ultimate champion for your specific needs. This isn't just a surface-level comparison. We're going to explore what makes each platform tick, who they're best suited for, and uncover any hidden pros and cons you might not find elsewhere. Let's start with Setmore. Setmore has carved out a niche for itself as a robust and often more affordable option, particularly appealing to small to medium-sized businesses that rely heavily on appointments. Its core strength lies in its comprehensive booking page, which can be fully customized with your logo, brand colors, images, and even customer reviews. This allows clients to self-schedule appointments and classes 24/7, explore your services, and even pay directly through the platform. One of Setmore's standout features is its generous free plan. Unlike many other tools that heavily restrict free functionality, Setmore's free tier allows up to 4 users, accepts payments, offers a custom booking page, and provides email reminders for up to 200 appointments per month. This is a huge advantage for startups or small businesses just dipping their toes into online scheduling. Payment processing is also available on the free plan, which is a big win, integrating with popular services like Square, Stripe, and PayPal. For those who need more, Setmore's paid plans, Pro and Team, are competitively priced, starting from around $5 per user per month when billed annually for the Pro plan, for 1 to 2 users, and $5 per user per month for unlimited users on the Team plan, also annually. These paid tiers unlock unlimited appointments, SMS reminders, recurring appointments, two-way calendar sync, and the ability to remove Setmore branding. Setmore also offers strong integration with video conferencing tools like Zoom and Google Meet, allowing you to seamlessly host virtual appointments. They've also been focused on improving integrations with social media, letting you add a Book Now button directly on your Instagram and Facebook profiles. Reviews highlight its user-friendliness, particularly for clients, and praise its 24/7 human support. However, some users note limitations in booking page customization, particularly with color palette options on the free plan, and some have experienced issues with recurring booking slots. There have also been mentions of limited payment processing options beyond credit cards, despite Stripe supporting more. Now, let's shift our focus to Calendly. Often considered the gold standard in online scheduling, Calendly is renowned for its sleek interface, ease of use, and extensive automation features, making it a favorite among sales teams, consultants, recruiters, and pretty much anyone who needs to schedule meetings efficiently. Calendly's strength lies in its versatility and its ability to handle more complex scheduling scenarios. Calendly also offers a free, basic plan, which is great for individuals. It allows you to connect one calendar, schedule unlimited meetings, and create a single active event type. You also get custom branding and automated notifications, including video conferencing integration with tools like Zoom and Google Meet. However, if you need more than one event type or want to connect multiple calendars, you'll quickly need to upgrade. Calendly's paid plans are structured into Essentials, Professional, and Teams, starting from $8 per user per month when billed annually for the Essentials plan. The Professional plan, at $12 per user per month annually, unlocks collective event types, routing forms, and analytics. The Teams plan, at $16 per user per month annually, introduces round-robin scheduling, HubSpot and Salesforce integration, and advanced admin features. For enterprise-level needs, Calendly offers custom pricing with more robust security, compliance, and CRM integrations. Where Calendly truly shines is in its vast array of integrations. With over 100 integrations, it connects seamlessly with a wide range of popular apps, From CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot to marketing automation tools like Marketo and Leadpages, and even productivity tools like Notion and Typeform. This extensive ecosystem makes Calendly a powerful hub for automating your entire workflow beyond just scheduling. Users consistently praise Calendly for its intuitive design, real-time updates, customizable notifications, and its ability to prevent double bookings by syncing with multiple calendars, including Google, Outlook, and Exchange. The routing forms feature, which allows you to qualify prospects before they even book a meeting, is a game changer for sales and marketing teams. However, some users have pointed out that Calendly can be more expensive, especially for teams requiring advanced features. While it offers robust analytics, some users feel it could provide more in-depth reporting. There have also been some mentions of support responsiveness and occasional syncing issues, though generally, reviews are overwhelmingly positive regarding its dependability and ease of use. So, how do you choose? It really boils down to your specific business needs and priorities. If you're a small business or a freelancer with a focus on service-based appointments, a limited budget, and you prioritize a simple, effective booking page with payment collection on the free plan, then Setmore might be your best bet. Its robust free tier and competitive pricing for paid plans offer excellent value, especially if your primary need is for clients to book individual or class appointments directly. The ability to display reviews on your booking page and integrate easily with social media are also significant advantages for B2C businesses. On the other hand, if you're a growing business, a sales team, a consulting firm, or anyone who needs advanced scheduling automation, complex workflows, extensive integrations with your existing tech stack, and a highly customizable experience for different event types, then Calendly is likely the stronger contender. Its routing forms, collective event types, and deep CRM integrations make it incredibly powerful for optimizing your sales and client management processes. While it might come with a higher price tag for more advanced features, the efficiency gains and automation capabilities can easily justify the investment for larger operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.